angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch this reading for them. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share this reading friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It really motivates me, especially in this tough time of the year. I also need my motivation, and that's your subscription. And I feel very inspired to keep bringing these readings to you. And thank you if you have already subscribed. So let's see. This is a general reading, friends. It may or may not resonate. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, for Hindi Urdu readings, visit our other channel. The link is in the timestamps. Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu. You can easily find the readings there. So, Sagittarius, your theme for the month of September is action, number 17. Number 17 is important, I feel. For some of you, it could be birth dates, or it could be, something important happened on number 17, I feel. This month is about action, you taking action, you changing your life, positive action, pace and movement coming in your life. And also Magician and the Mirror. Look at this. Some healing is going to happen, friends, in your life. Some balance is going to come in September for you, Sagittarius. Congratulations. I feel like up till now, the year has been either emotional for you, Sagittarius, or very, very disappointing for you. There has not been middle ground where you feel like your life is good, it's balanced. But September is that month where you'll feel that balance, and some passion and some pace is going to come, action is going to come in your life. Action in the sense like, if you are not working, I see you getting some work and life picking up pace. If you are a student, I see that things will be moving forward. If you are single, your love life getting back on track. So that kind of movement, forward progress coming for you in September, Sagittarius. But you will have to balance your mind and your heart, because I see you getting very agitated in your mind and heart. Strategize and rest and rejuvenate. Nice, that's beautiful. And I think up till now I have done so many signs, both in Hindi, Urdu, and in English. Only you have got this rest and rejuvenate card. So congratulations, Sagittarius. It is a beautiful advice. The theme for you is to strategize. Make some long-term goals, some long-term plans. And if you are trying to achieve a goal in September, I would say that strategize. Don't just jump or make an impulsive decision, because plan. Plan ahead, plan your things. Like if you want to crack an exam, plan your thing. If you want to say something to someone, plan it. At least type that thing out. Because I do see that planning will take you to a lot of success, bring you success in September. But you might feel a little, I don't know how to say this, divided between your mind and heart. There is this your mind is saying one thing, your heart is saying one thing, friends, and you are like, ooh, which one should I follow now? So that energy is there. Be careful, Sagis. Rest and rejuvenate. Yes, take time to relax this month, because it is a powerful month for you, a very, very busy month for you. So take time to rest and relax also. Let's see your love life, Sagittarius. Wow, the Hanged Man. Some things are paused. Yeah, I did felt that when action was there, that things are very stuck in your life, not moving forward. Let's see. Love life for Sagittarius for the month of September. Ooh, the Three of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Okay, let's just take this. Oh my god, the Three of Swords. The Two of Wands, the Fool. Angels, clarify the Three of Swords. Wow, the Ace of Wands and the Seven of Cups. And clarify the Fool. Wow. Mixed energies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Phew. Tough month, huh? Sagis? It is not a tough month. I would say it's an important month collectively for our Earth friends. Why? Because Saturn is moving direct, Jupiter is moving direct in the month of September, at the end of September. So it is going to bring us major shifts in our consciousness collectively. It is showing in these readings also. And make sure to watch, friends, please. I'm urging you, I'm requesting you, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, click the bell icon, because I feel we will need each other in September. So please do that. I can only request you, rest is up to you. The Hanged Man. Yes, things are at a pause when you start the month of September. Your love life, nothing is happening there. Things are at a pause. Even if you are in a marriage, there is no communication or there is a lack of passion. If you are in a love relationship, there is no contact. Someone is taking time off. You are taking time off. No contact situation in your love life. If you are single, you are not even feeling the need to talk to people or be with around people, you are like chilling. You are chilling on your own. Things are stuck, nothing moving, at pause at the start of September. But in the second week of September, I see things moving ahead for you, action coming in, people trying to work things out with you, you being very social also, and people trying to past partnerships, communications opening up, people were, if you are single, new people are coming from your work or from social media. And if you are looking for a partner, yes, like if you already have an ex partner waiting for them, yes, they are going to communicate with you. Even if you are married, communications are going to open up, things are going to flow. The Hierophant. Definitely, this month Sagittarius, you're thinking about big things in life like marriage, justice, legal issues. You could be dealing with a lawyer, a judge, a healer, an advocate, or someone who manages finances or something, or is at head of something. I definitely feel if you are married, your relationship will be tested. Like you may ask your partner, do you still have feelings for me? Do you still love me? Is this the way to talk to me? If you are married, or your partner may ask you, you're married, you are asking someone something like, are you honest with me? Do you love me? Do you love me? I see you, Sagittarius, asking people this thing. Definitely, someone may hurt you in the mid of the month. There are some hurts, there are some letdowns. You may feel, I think, Sagittarius, although they are very adventurous, they are still very loyal, and they are very still in the traditional way of life. They like things to be traditional or in a set way like this. And if someone may let you down, there might be a hurt or a pain. A partner may let you down, hurt you. I also feel like you may feel like a partner is confused. It could be your husband, it could be your wife, it could be your twin flame, your ex lover, your current lover. You may feel confused about a partner. Like, are they real? Should I choose them? Should I not? What's going on? There is this heartache. There is. But I see you coming out of it, Sagittarius. It will hit you in the mid of the month, so stay careful. But I see you coming out of it, Ace of Wands. The confusions, this heartache, this hurt will be over very quickly if you follow your passion, both of you. I also feel that someone new may come into your life in the mid of month, and you may feel a little confused about them. Your heart and head will say another thing, but you will actually choose this person, because I think this person will prove their maturity. They will prove that they are there for you, and you will take a leap of faith towards them. I also feel that some of you could again, the end of this month will be difficult if you are especially married or in a committed partnership. It is going to be rough at the end of the month and the mid of the month. They are going to be tough times for you, because you can get anxious at the end of the month. Also, some abrupt endings can happen in your relationships, And or you may just decide like, I need a time apart from my partner, I need time apart from this marriage, I don't want this right now, I want some time away for myself. Or you may just, if you are single, you may just suddenly move in with somebody, or you will just on a whim decide to be with somebody because you just want to take a leap of faith. So friends, at the end of the month, Sagittarius, I feel you need to strategize what you need to do, because you may feel like taking some impulsive actions, but I don't see them going long way for you. So be careful at the end of this month. Also, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in the month of September. But friends, you need to don't take impulsive actions at the end of September, because it can go the wrong way for you or for the other person. Let's see the advice for you. What's the advice for you, Leos? Let's see that. For the month of September, what's the advice for Leos? The solar plexus, ego issues, friends. Yes. Again, see, you are caught between your base chakra and the third chakra. Oh God. So, you will have choices this month. You will have choice to follow something that you are passionate about, or follow something that boost your ego, maybe work. So you will have choice between love and work. You will also have choice like a passionate connection and a connection that is good for your family, good for your image in life. You have to balance things out in September. It is confusing, but you have the magician and the mirror. Look at this. It's the same here. These two things. It's the same here. These two things. Look at this. So you have to balance, friends. You have to balance, Sagittarius. You have to balance your passion. You will feel very passionate. You will feel very, very strongly about your relationships, and it will affect your ego, your relationships, your money, your status. Everything will affect your ego. And some of you may feel very anxious. The darkest fear, like if someone leaves you or confronts you in relationship, it will make you feel very scared. But it's just a fear. Fear is false evidence appearing real. Let's just pull some love messages for you. For Sagittarius, religious factors. Yeah, see, you could be dealing with someone where they are from a different religion, a different culture, or maybe, right now in September, your paths are not aligning. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Maybe someone is not behaving like your parents are not accepting your relationship. Maybe you are in a rainbow tribe, or you are dealing with sexuality issues. I'm sorry to say this, but we respect everybody, friends. We are all humans, we all deal with such things, so we respect them. So there are issues like that, religion, culture, spiritual issues coming in between you and your love life. Let's see some extra messages for Sagittarius. Oh my God. Okay, lots of cards. Let's see. Wow, moon changes in your life. Definitely, Sagittarius, important changes are coming. Cycles of changes are coming. Like the mid of the month and the end of the month are important for you. Realizations coming. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. The parrot, yeah, you have to stay careful. There are people who can trigger your ego. Some people who can challenge you. It will trigger your ego. Wall, misunderstanding. Yes, at the end of the month, a misunderstanding can happen in your work or in your love life or in your family. So stay careful. Unicorns, yay! That made me smile. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Unicorns are with you, friends. What are unicorns? They are high dimensional beings. I also have my guides, which are unicorns. They are beautiful beings. They are absolutely amazing. High vibrational. They come from very seventh. I don't know if I can explain it right now. Maybe some other day. February is important, so maybe some things which you are working on will resolve in February, or something from February is important. Get back to the basics. Yeah, see, this is the month, friends. You need to get back to the basics. I think this card has told you everything you need to know. Leo's Sagittarius. I don't know why I said a Leo, but maybe check out the Leo reading. Get back to the basics. Family sorrow. Yeah, there can be some family issues. Great worry over nothing. So things will resolve. They're just appearing a little, crisscrossed. Pineapple reconciliation. Congratulations, friends. Someone is coming rushing in for you on a horse. Tick tock. A sincere wish will be granted, needle and thread. Congratulations. My wish for you, Sagittarius, is all your wishes come true and happiness walk with you. So, friends, do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. That's it for now. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.